Journey to Big Bird, where Big Bird hides and Ernie seeks. If you want to find me, look for me in something that starts with the letter B.
Put the pointy end in the hole and tap it in. Gently, or you'll crack the wood. Sorry, tree.
Count to 10 with me and remember, no peeking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here we come. Wow, we're not on Sesame Street anymore.
As many as we can.
We're at the letter B Museum. Let's ask Cookie Monster if he's seen Big Bird. Hi, Cookie Monster.
Hello, Ernie.
Have you seen Big Bird?
Oh, Big Bird. Yeah.
Which way did he go?
That way.
That way?
Yeah, that way.
That way?
Yeah.
Thank you, Cookie Monster. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Ernie. Good luck finding Big Bird. If you need any help, just call me, okay?
Okay. Do you see what I see? I see big orange feet. Do you know who has big orange feet and who's yellow and is a bird? Yeah, it must be Big Bird. And what was that hint he gave us? I remember. He said, look for me in something that starts with the letter B. Blanket starts with B, so maybe Big Bird is hiding behind the blanket. Let's find out. Gotcha, Big Bird. You found me! We found him! It's Big Bird. It's me! I know you any place. A feet of yellow feathers that peek upon your face. Your happy Big Bird voice, la la, tells us you're the one. We found him, we found him. Our journey to Big Bird is done. I can't wait to see where I am next time. Bye-bye. Goodbye, everybody.